Hey guys, thanks for watching In the Loop Travel. We are on Harmony of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's newest cruise ship, and I wanted to show you our accommodations, which is a grand suite. We are on the 9th deck and in cabin 650. Okay, so we're in the very large entryway to the very large cabin here, and the first thing I noticed was the wardrobe is out here. There is a lot of space, and also some dresser space over here, and a safe. It's got a bar, a fridge, and immediately to this side is the bathroom. The bathroom is quite spacious with dual sinks and a bathtub, bing bing bing, with shower combo. Back out here we have the living area, seating area. Some more drawers for storage in the bar there. Couch and a large flat screen TV with some more cabinet space. Couple seats, and leads right out to the gorgeous large balcony where we have a couple loungers, comfy soft seats, and table, 2 chairs where you can have your breakfast or cocktails before dinner, do some hosting. And we'll move into the bedroom. These are separated with a curtain for your privacy if you have people out here want to take a nap in the afternoon or whatever. This also has a large flat screen TV, some storage at each side of the bed, and a big vanity with some more drawers. And we have the European and US plugs for your devices. And that's about it. It's one of the biggest cabins I've had the privilege of being in on a cruise ship, and we're sure going to enjoy it this week. Thanks for watching.